everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyla Chanell. Get into it, grasp it, hold on to it, purchase it, don't return it, don't do that, but get into it. I am using a majority of Maybelline products because I am demoing this new Super Stay Maybelline foundation. I am in the color 362 Truffle. So if you want to see what I think about this foundation and stuff, if you want to see how I achieve what products I use on this face, honey, get into it. And keep on watching. I already did my brows. Hair looking kind of crazy, but you know, I'm gonna get it together. So now we're gonna work on the eyes. Alright. So I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm gonna prime my eyes with that and buff it in really nice for a clean slate. I'm just patting using a beauty blender, excuse me, to just smooth that out. I set my concealer on my eyes sometimes, not all the times, but I'm using a Wet n Wild powder. I'm taking my Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette and using just a transition shade, a light like walnut brown. Very beautiful. We're going to do a light eye for this look. For my lid, I'm going to pack on a pretty shimmery pink shade, and I'm just going to sweep that all over the lid really lightly. We're not doing too much to the lids. We're going to leave that very soft. Now I'm going to do my wing with the LA Color liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm going to use this mascara by Maybelline, of course. This is my first time trying it. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. Will I buy it again? It's probably not. Okay, so I have my face primed and it's time to try. Boom. Maybe. Okay, so I've been hearing different things, so of course I'm going to use my favorite foundation brush. It's the Face Perfecting Brush by Bare Minerals.
A breakfast made with respect. Try the new bacon, egg, and cheese on brioche. Panera, food as it should be. Goodbye, same old, same old. Hello Fresh has something delicious to deliver for
This is so thick.
have your new favorite recipes, so you can pick what's right for you. Use code TV30.
I will use this straight in my T-zone area because no. It's not getting blended. So as you can see, I was having quite a bit of trouble blending this Maybelline foundation. It's super thick, super mattifying, which is awesome, but it's definitely difficult to blend. So after blending it in using my Bare Minerals Face Perfecting Brush, I just went in with a Real Technique sponge, hopefully trying to achieve that smooth finish, which it doesn't look too bad, but it was definitely hard. So let's talk about it. So I feel like it's an okay match for me. I hear like from other people's reviews and stuff like that the brushes work better than an actual beauty blender. Excuse me. But I felt like I needed to go in with a beauty blender for that extra like. So after getting my foundation to the smoothness I wanted, I'm going in with that same Fit Me concealer. I'll list the color in the description, and I'm just gonna highlight with it. After highlighting, I'm going to bake using my Airspun I love Airspun. It's so affordable and it works wonders, baby. Let me tell you, if you ain't using Airspun, what you doing? And then, yeah, so I'm gonna bake. Hopefully everyone still bakes because I still bake. Now for my contour area, I'm gonna set using my regular face color powder. It's a powder by Iman. Walgreens had a crazy sale on this brand. I bought hella powders for my makeup kit. It's amazing. Using the same powder to contour my nose, of course. It's a very natural color for me, which is giving me that natural vibe, boyfriend approved makeup, okay? And I'm gonna lightly dust off the baking powder, off my highlighted areas. So yeah, get that together. I am not sure if this happens to everyone, but when I'm done with my face, my brows are like gone. So I just go back in and redo my brows, filling in wherever the powder had made product disappear. Yep. Gotta have them brows on fleek, honey. Can't even be half stepping with them. Mm-mm. Okay, so it's time for the infamous mascara face. I'm going in with that Maybelline mascara, and it worked beautifully underneath my on my bottom lashes. It makes me seem like I have falsies on. I'm using a brown Wet n Wild pencil called Sigma Brown. This is my favorite pencil. I also use it for my eyebrows. But I'm gonna line my lips, and then because I'm wearing red and I'm dark skinned, I just feel like I need a darker color. So I go back to the 90s, y'all. I take it back and do the black liner. Yes, child. I don't play no games. I'm using black. So yeah, I line my lips with black, and then I go in with my popping ass red lippy. I'm using this Maybelline red lipstick. I believe it's the matte. Uh, I don't know. I'll list it in the bottom as in the description box. I'm so sorry, but it's super bright, and this wasn't as matte as I wanted it to be. However, it was popping time. Let me tell you, and it pulled my look together. So it's okay. Now for my highlight, I'm using the same highlight I've been using forever since I worked for Ulta Beauty, which is the Bare Minerals and their dual face setting. I don't know, it's a face perfecting face setting, and it has the illuminator and mattifying powder in it. And that's the one I use. Pulling the look together, I'm using the Mario Badescu Rose Water, and I'm gonna bathe in it. Yes, darling, bathe. Time to get it together, bud. Here's the finished look, guys. I'm so happy you're here watching another tutorial. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment if you would like to see a different type of video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.